Good morning, everybody. Yin and I, what are we doing today?
It's a beautiful day, so we thought we would head out and explore Maraetai Beach, go through Whitford, go to Duder Regional Park.
Okay, but first we're gonna need to get some petrol and probably some lunch as well, because it's the afternoon already.
Sounds good to me. So today we are headed over to Fong Mei Cafe. It's one of the restaurants that we have been going to with our family and friends for years now. They sell Hong Kong style food and it is very yummy. We're currently in level 2 at the moment, so it's only been about a week since we've come into level 2. So it's good to be able to dine at restaurants again. That's a really big menu here, but there are a couple of favorites that we always get. Today, I know what I want. I'm gonna go for my Yoking Tong noodles, just a pork noodle. And you?
Okay, I think I finally decided I'm going with the wonton noodles, which is what I always get as well, but it took me a while to decide that.
The big dish has arrived and we ended up getting iced Howicks as well. This is one of the last few places that I know here in Auckland that actually does Howicks, so I've got to get it when we come here. And this is my noodles that I always get. Got some mushrooms in there, some nice little pieces of pork, and of course egg noodles. You can also get this in yongchen noodles, which are the thick rice noodles too. Really homely kind of dish as well. Just something that, I don't know, nostalgic for me because I get it all the time.
Whenever I can't decide what to eat, I always go with the wontons. And you gotta make sure you add some of the chili in there too. The chili is super tasty, ample amount on every single wonton. That looks about right. They've got a really thin skin and kind of looks like a brain when you look at it really closely, and there's prawns in there too.
I always notice the HK ones are really big.
Yeah, really big. Okay, this looks like a good mouthful. Just like yen, the flavors that you get in there are very comforting, very homely. Probably because we've been eating for so long. Also, when you go to Hong Kong, you get food that's pretty much exactly similar to this as well. So definitely check out Fong Mei. Reasonable prices too.
So with our bellies full, we are now headed over to Omana Regional Park, and then I think it's really close to Maraetai Beach, so we'll check that out too.
First stop, Yen and I have arrived at Omana Regional Park.
Yeah, it's right next to Omana Beach down that way, and it is super nice because it is completely empty.
Yeah, the thing with New Zealand is, even if you live in like one of the big cities, you definitely don't have to go very far to experience the countryside. Yeah, so we're only like maybe 20 minutes outside of Auckland, eastern suburbs right now.
It's very, very New Zealand, isn't it? You've got like the green as grass, blue skies, blue water, and it smells really nice and fresh, and oh no!
What are they?
Almost hit me, but there's one for you, love Lua.
Yeah, gotta do the roly-poly. Feels good being out in nature. We got a couple more parks that we want to check out today as well. No, I just did a roly-poly, but you definitely don't want to be rolling into none of these little fellas.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, avoid them. Always seems to be the random little lotto stores that win the big prizes. So since we're out here in Maraetai already, gonna stop off, get a ticket. Might be a chance to win $6 million. You know, that's not bad.
What are you getting?
Deep Spring. Oh, Deep Spring? They changed the packaging.
What is it now?
This used to look.
Ooh, it's quite fancy now.
Yeah, it looks fancy now. Used to look. I like the old look actually, it was more cartoony.
Does it taste like the Deep Spring?
Tastes like my childhood. So I just shot some drone footage of the beach and I've spotted Yen. I don't know what she's doing, I think she's collecting seashells. Kate, what are you doing?
Collecting seashells.
I knew it! I knew you were collecting seashells.
I used to do this when I was a kid, and I thought I'd just pick up a couple of pretty shells.
What's your favorite one?
I think it's like one of these. So I've been taking a few. Oh wait, no, I stuck one in my pocket.
You stuck one in your pocket? No one's gonna steal your shells.
It was for safekeeping, it was this one. It has a lot of gradients through it. I used to paint them. Does anyone else do that? I used to paint them as a kid and like do different patterns and stuff.
Did you collect rocks as a kid?
Yes. Even though it's really sunny, there's a very cold wind chill as well, so I'm glad I've got my jumper on today.
Well, it is May after all, so that's autumn here in New Zealand.
Yeah, that's true. So only a short, about 10 minutes drive from Maraetai. We are here at Duder Regional Park, and got to say shout out to Prinola. Thanks for letting us know about this place. We usually only stop at Maraetai, so we don't even come out this little bit further.
Yeah.
It'll be our first time taking a walk around here.
I just took the drone up and it looks really amazing.
That's nice. Something that you do need to know though coming here is that to protect our kauri forests, you've got to scrub and spray your shoes before you get in. So we'll take you with us doing that. Trusty jandals.
Yeah. All season, all purpose, climbing, swimming, doesn't matter.
Not
Jandals is
swimming.
all you need. Yeah. Look at this. They can help you paddle through the water. Ah, so many pukekos.
Oh yeah. Those pukekos, shy little things. We just walked here and they disappeared. I remember when my cousin came to New Zealand for the first time, like, see, we teased her that they were blue chickens. She fell for it. Here at Duder Regional Park, there's currently 2 trails that you can do. One is the Farm Loop Walk and the other is the Whakakaiwharapa Walk.
Which one are we doing?
Oh, actually there's quite a few walks. There's a Duder Coastal Walk and a Duder Sustainable Trail. Let's go for the short one. This one's about an hour. Whakakaiwharapa Walk.
If you're lucky enough, you'll see some of New Zealand's native birds. Plenty of pukekos, but there's one of the bush pigeons over there.
Just passed some nice kiwis on the walk and they reminded us that the bird's name is Kereru. Kereru. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, almost. Oh no! More poos, you gotta watch out for them.
We just spotted some sheep, and as you guys know, New Zealand has got so many sheep, more than people. And Puri and Sue, I think you guys might like this since you guys love lambs and sheep.
I reckon we've probably reached the top. I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we've been walking about, this is like maybe 30-40 minutes into the track now.
Now, so that means we're definitely not then, right?
I don't know.
I don't know either, but it's a very pretty lookout point. We saw these very nice red crimson looking trees.
Yeah, and they like a ton of tuis on top of them as well.
And then you've got that magnificent view of the Gulf.
Super beautiful. I can definitely recommend this Duder Regional Park, so thanks for the recommendation. Geek, I think you found the signpost, eh?
Yes, we just needed to keep walking a little bit.
It's kind of not really a track.
Well, yeah, you can kind of see because the grass here has been walked on. But it's a blue signpost if you want to go to that top point.
Looks like we found it.
Yeah, we definitely found it. So we were up there just before, but this view is way more spectacular because you've got the Gulf on both sides and like a whole lot of sheep down that way. It's super breathtaking. New Zealand is a beautiful country, and yeah, nature lovers.
We come just in time to see the sunset as well.
I bet Peter's gonna say, so romantic.
It gives you these. Pretty much wraps up our day here with Yen and I. We've spent a nice chill day just checking out the things in our backyard, having some food that we've grown up eating. It's been an awesome day. I love New Zealand for this exact reason, that even days like this where you don't really have anything planned and you just make the most of some spur of the moment wanting to get outside, you can see some absolutely beautiful stuff. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog too, and if you have, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. It does help out Yen and I. Drop us a comment. We always like to hear from you guys too, so catch you guys later. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the sunset.